Are you dreaming of a unique living space that blends the rustic charm of a barn with the sleek modern design of a contemporary home? In this video, we'll take you on a tour of 15 small and modern barndominiums that perfectly capture this blend of old and new. These barndominiums offer just that and more. Whether you are looking for inspiration for your own build or simply enjoy admiring creative architecture, these stylish and cozy homes are sure to spark your imagination. So let's explore these stunning spaces together. Number 15. The Stillwater. Price starts at $148,164. The Stillwater by DC Structures is a modern barn-style home that combines rustic charm with contemporary design. One of the standout features of the home is the lofted bedroom. This bedroom is located on a higher level, overlooking the main living area. Large, towering windows allow plenty of natural light to pour into the space, making it feel bright and airy. The Stillwater home has a footprint of 24 feet by 36 feet, with a total living area of 864 square feet. The lofted bedroom, which has a cedar railing overlooking the main level, adds an additional 237 square feet. This home kit includes over 24 high-quality doors and windows from the well-known brand Andersen. The exterior of the home is finished with cedar board and batten siding and trim, giving it a classic yet modern look. Number 14. Rainier home. Price starts at $133,995. The Rainier home, by Barn Pros nationwide, is designed to be a comfortable and stylish place to live full-time. It's a two-story house with up to 2,000 square feet of living space, built in a way that shows off the attractive post and beam construction. There are two versions of the Rainier home, called Model A and Model B. Each of these models can be customized with either 2, 3, or 4 bedrooms, depending on your needs. You can also choose whether to have the master bedroom on the main level of the house. The design of the house is flexible, with 3 different options for the layout of the main floor and 4 different designs for the upper floor. This means you can mix and match these options to create the home that best suits your lifestyle. For those who need a place to park a car within the same building, there's an option to enclose a shed roof area to use as a carport. If you prefer a separate garage, the company also offers a variety of detached garages and shops that you can choose from. The house itself has a footprint of 48 by 36 feet, meaning that's how much space it takes up on the ground. There are 2 dormer packages available. Package A includes 2 6-foot gable dormers and 1 36-foot shed dormer, while Package B includes 2 36-foot shed dormers. The house also comes with a hand-built cedar cupola, as well as a door and window package. However, the interior of the house is unfinished, meaning you can customize it according to your own tastes and needs. Number 13. The Meridian. Price starts at $90,503. The Meridian Barn Home Kit by DC Structures is a cost-effective and builder-friendly solution that combines quality, durability, and flexibility. The building is constructed using stick framing and pre-manufactured vaulted wood trusses, which provide a spacious and open interior. The single dividing wall separates the garage and living space, allowing for a seamless blend of functionality and style. The Meridian Barndominium Kit is available in 6 standard sizes, ranging from 30 feet by 48 feet to 40 feet by 72 feet. The smallest model has 1,440 square feet of living space. With its hybrid, clear span construction and fiber cement supplements, the Meridian Barndominium Kit requires minimal maintenance over time, making it an excellent investment for those looking to create a unique and customizable living space. Number 12. The Quinn Barndominium. Steel kit price starts at $55,000. The Quinn Barn Home Kit, by My Barndo Plans, offers 924 square feet of comfortable living space, making it a perfect choice for those seeking a cozy and efficient home. The design features an extra-large master suite, providing plenty of room to relax and unwind. Instead of a traditional garage, this plan includes a carport, which adds to the overall simplicity and affordability of the design. The plan is carefully crafted to have a strong visual appeal from the outside, ensuring that it looks attractive and inviting. One of the key aspects of the Quinn floor plan is its efficient use of space. Despite its smaller size, the home includes 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, making it suitable for a variety of lifestyles. The open floor plan further enhances the sense of space, creating a welcoming and flexible living area that is perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The Quinn Barndominium kit is designed to be built anywhere in the USA, with small structural changes available for high snow areas. Starting at $55,000 for the cold-formed steel kit, this budget-friendly Barndominium is an excellent investment. Number 11. The Denali Barn Apartment. Price starts at $169,995. The Denali Barn Apartment Kit by Barn Pros Nationwide is a flagship model that combines flexibility, functionality, and beauty. This impressive structure offers multiple floor plans, allowing you to create a modern living space while maintaining the flexibility for barn, storage, or utility needs. The Denali comes in various sizes, including 36, 48, 60, and 72-foot footprints, with a full loft and a ridge height of 27 feet from grade to peak. The living space ranges from 2,448 to 4,896 square feet, depending on the chosen model. The 12-foot wide open breezeway and 12-foot 6-inch sidewalls add to the spacious feel, while the 912 roof pitch and full-length open shed roof enhance the structure's aesthetic appeal. The Denali also features several dormer packages, a hand-built cedar cupola, and a door and window package. Optional packages include a front-end timber truss, equine, and garage packages, allowing you to personalize the barn to suit your needs. Number 10. The Heartland. Steel kit price starts at $60,000. The Heartland Barndominium kit, offered by My Barndo Plans, is a spacious and versatile home designed to meet the needs of modern living. This impressive Barndominium features a generous 3,000 square feet of living space, making it perfect for families or those who love to entertain. The floor plan includes 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, providing ample space for everyone. The open concept living area seamlessly integrates the kitchen, dining, and living spaces, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. One of the standout features is the loft and upstairs guest room, adding extra space for guests or hobbies. The Heartland also boasts front and back porches, perfect for enjoying the outdoors and relaxing with family and friends. Designed to be built anywhere in the USA, the Heartland Barndominium kit can be customized with small structural changes for high snow areas. Number 9. Steamboat. Price starts at $93,696. The Steamboat Barndominium kit by Timberlyne is a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern efficiency. This stunning structure features a main floor with 1,275 square feet of living space, complemented by an additional 220 square feet of patios, perfect for outdoor relaxation. The Steamboat includes 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, making it ideal for small families or couples. The 8x8 and larger post and beam frame with steel plate joinery ensures durability and a timeless aesthetic. The timbers are precision cut with state-of-the-art CNC machines, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. The design is highly flexible, allowing for revisions such as added length, swapping accessories, or changing the floor plan to suit your needs. The Steamboat also features pre-cut jumbo R42 SIPs for energy efficiency and quicker installation, providing a superior sealed enclosure with exposed timbers. Number 8. Cantata. Price starts at $88,380. The Cantata Barndominium kit by Timberlyne is a perfect blend of rustic elegance and modern efficiency. This stunning structure has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, 720 square feet main floor, 330 square foot loft, and 600 square foot covered porch. It features an 8x8 and larger post and beam frame with steel plate joinery, ensuring durability and a timeless aesthetic. The timbers are precision cut with state-of-the-art CNC machines, guaranteeing a perfect fit and finish. The Cantata includes pre-cut jumbo R42 SIPs for energy efficiency and quicker installation, providing a superior sealed enclosure with exposed timbers. The design is highly flexible, allowing for revisions such as adding length, swapping accessories, or changing the floor plan to suit your needs. The package includes precision-cut timbers, powder-coated steel joinery, 2x6 vertical framing, sheathing, house wrap, KD pine siding, 1x10 board, and 1x4 batten. The roof features 6x8 purlins, 1x8 T&G roof decking, and roof underlayment. Number 7. The Getaway Barndominium Kit. Steel kit price starts at $33,963. The floor plan for this single-story Barndominium measures 1,131 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, and 2-car garage. Constructed with red iron steel, The Getaway Barndominium ensures durability and strength, providing a sturdy and reliable structure. The dimensions of the Barndominium are 48 feet in width and 60 feet in length, with an eave height of 10 feet. This kit also includes 2 rigid frames for clear span interior framing, adhering to the IBC 06 code with a wind speed rating of 115 miles per hour and wind exposure category B. The floor plan can also be customized to fit individual needs. Designed to be built almost anywhere, it offers a practical and affordable solution for those looking to escape to a serene and comfortable environment. Number 6. The Cowboy Barndominium. Steel kit price starts at $28,636. The Cowboy Barndominium kit from My Barndo Plans is a compact yet spacious living solution, perfect for those who appreciate a blend of simplicity and functionality. This kit offers a 921 square foot floor plan that includes 2 private bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, making it an ideal choice for a small family or cozy retreat. Additionally, it features an 800-plus square foot shop and a garage, providing ample space for storage or hobbies. Constructed with a prefabricated steel kit, the Cowboy Barndominium includes all the necessary steel for the structure, roof, and siding. The dimensions are 30 feet in width and 60 feet in length, with an eave height of 10 feet. This versatile and affordable kit is designed to be built almost anywhere, offering a practical and stylish solution for those looking to create a comfortable and functional living space. Number 5. The Hubbard by Timberlyne. Post and beam package starts at $105,196. The log home, designed to be versatile, has a total of 1,024 square feet of living area. It includes 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The home features a lovely front porch and a large rear deck that enhance its appearance and provide ample space for outdoor activities and gatherings. Inside, the living room is highlighted by a vaulted ceiling, which gives it a sense of openness and comfort. The staircase, located centrally in the home, is not only functional, but also adds a touch of elegance to the main living space. On the first floor, there is 1 bedroom and a full bathroom, utilizing the space efficiently. Moving to the upper floor, there is a study or loft area, another bedroom, and a sizable walk-in closet, which is ideal for storing everyday items or seasonal belongings. Number 4. The Simple Life Steel Barndominium Kit by My Barndo Plans. Steel kit price starts at $28,912. The Simple Life is a 1,000 square foot Barndominium floor plan that emphasizes simplicity and affordability while being exceptionally well designed to use every bit of space efficiently. The ground floor features a living area and a half bathroom, providing convenience and comfort. Upstairs, there are 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom, offering ample space for living and relaxation. The open floor plan enhances the functionality of the Barndominium, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a small yet well-organized living space. Constructed with durable steel and metal roofs, the Simple Life Barndominium ensures longevity and low maintenance. The dimensions are designed to fit on a small foundation, making it versatile and easy to build almost anywhere. This kit includes all the necessary steel for the structure, roof, and siding, along with trims, closures, fasteners, and building instructions. Number 3. Hunter by Timberlyne. Post and beam package starts at $109,095. This barn home kit is a spacious 1,810 square foot residence featuring a 30 by 40 foot layout. Priced at $109,095 for the post and beam package. This home offers energy efficiency, larger timbers, and flexible design options. It includes 4 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, with 1,200 square feet on the main floor, a 610 square foot loft, and a 360 square foot covered porch. The structure boasts an 8x8 and larger post and beam frame with steel plate joinery, precision-cut timbers, and pre-cut jumbo R42 SIPs for enhanced energy efficiency. The package also includes vertical framing, sheathing, house wrap, KD pine siding, roof decking, roof underlayment, and a second floor subfloor. Additionally, it comes with structural building plans, foundation plans, a construction guide, and phone support. Note that shipping, engineering, and sales tax are not included, and prices are subject to change. Number 2. The Westbrook. Price starts at $40,002. The Westbrook Barndominium kit from RR Ironworks is designed for those who work hard and play even harder. This versatile kit is available in various sizes, including 30 by 70 feet or 1,200 square feet, 30 by 80 feet, 1,500 square feet, and 40 by 70 feet or 1,600 square feet. One of the standout features of the Westbrook is its oversized roll-up doors, providing ample space for storing oversized toys such as boats, campers, and recreational vehicles. The Westbrook Barndominium kit offers a single enclosed area large enough to hold all your equipment and recreational items, making it perfect for those who need both living and storage space. The design is both practical and stylish, ensuring that you have a comfortable living area while also accommodating your storage needs. Whether you're looking for a spacious home or a functional storage solution, the Westbrook Barndominium kit provides the perfect blend of durability, versatility, and modern design. Number 1. Huntington Barn Apartment by Barn Pros. Price starts at $107,995. The Huntington Barn Apartment is a smaller version of our main apartment barn, the Denali. Although it is more compact, it still offers all the comforts of a regular home. The building has 864 square feet of space on the lower floor. The structure measures 24 by 36 feet and includes an apartment on the upper floor that adds about 600 to 700 square feet of living space. The Huntington model is designed to be a good option for those who prefer to live in a smaller, more manageable space. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you found your favorite one from the list, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design ideas. See you in the next video.